Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Today, I want to talk about health and lifestyle. I think it is very important to have a good diet, exercise regularly, sleep well, and have healthy habits. What do you think?
I agree, Alice. I think our health is very important. I try to eat healthy food, do some exercise, and get enough sleep every day. It makes me feel good.
Yes, a healthy lifestyle makes me happy too. Let's start with diet. What do you eat in a day, Ben?
In the morning, I usually eat a bowl of oatmeal with fruit. Sometimes I have an egg too. I drink a cup of green tea or water.
That is very healthy. I like to eat cereal with milk and a banana for breakfast. I also drink a glass of water.
Water is very important. I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day.
Me too. I think drinking water helps me feel energetic. For lunch, I often eat a salad with chicken or fish. I add many vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
That sounds very good, Alice. I like to eat a sandwich with whole wheat bread and some fruit on the side. I sometimes have a soup too.
A soup is nice. When it is cold outside, I try to avoid fast food. I think fast food is not very healthy.
I agree. I rarely eat fast food. I like to cook at home because I can choose healthy ingredients.
I like cooking too. I often cook rice, vegetables, and lean meat. I add some herbs to make it tasty.
That is a good idea. Cooking at home helps me control the amount of salt and oil in my food.
Exactly. A good diet is important for our health. I also try to eat fruit and vegetables every day.
Yes, fruits and vegetables give us vitamins and energy. I like apples, oranges, and carrots.
I like apples and grapes. Sometimes I have a small snack of nuts in the afternoon.
Nuts are healthy. They give me protein and are very filling.
Now, let's talk about exercise. What kind of exercise do you do, Ben?
I try to exercise every day. In the morning, I sometimes go for a 20-minute walk or ride my bicycle. On weekends, I play basketball with my friends.
That is great. I also like to walk in the morning. I sometimes do some light stretching or yoga at home. It makes me feel calm.
Yoga sounds good. I have seen videos on YouTube. I might try it one day.
Yes, yoga is very relaxing. I also try to do simple exercises like push-ups and sit-ups a few times a week.
I do that too. Even simple exercises help keep my body strong. I also go to the gym twice a week to lift light weights and do some cardio.
The gym is a good idea if you want to build strength. I sometimes go for a jog in the park instead. Jogging is fun, and I like to listen to music while I run.
Running in the park is very refreshing. I like to run because it clears my mind and helps me think.
Exercise makes me feel happy and full of energy. I believe that a healthy body helps me work better during the day.
I agree. When I exercise, I sleep better and feel less stressed. It is a very good habit to have.
Speaking of sleep, what is your sleep routine, Ben?
I try to sleep at 10 p.m. every night. I want to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I think sleep is very important for health.
I also try to go to bed early. I want to sleep for 8 hours. When I sleep well, I feel more active and happy during the day.
Yes, a good sleep routine is very important. I have a small habit. I turn off my phone 1 hour before bed. It helps me relax.
That is a good habit. I sometimes read a book or listen to soft music before I sleep. It helps me calm down and fall asleep faster.
I do that too. Reading a little before bed makes me feel peaceful.
I also make sure my bedroom is quiet and dark. I close the curtains and sometimes use a sleep mask.
A quiet and dark room is good for sleep. I like to keep my room cool and comfortable.
A good sleep environment helps our body repair and makes us ready for a new day.
I agree, Alice. Sleep is one of the most important parts of a healthy lifestyle.
Now, let's talk about other healthy habits. Do you have any habits that help you live a healthy life, Ben?
Yes, I have some habits. I try to eat slowly and chew my food well. I think it is good for digestion. I also take short breaks during work to stretch.
I also try to do small things like drinking water regularly and taking a short walk after meals. It helps me feel better.
I believe that small habits add up. I also try to avoid too much sugar and processed food.
I try to avoid sugary drinks and snacks. I prefer fresh fruit or yogurt.
That is a healthy choice. I also try to plan my meals. Sometimes I cook my dinner in advance so that I eat healthy food even on busy days.
Meal planning is very useful. It saves time and helps you choose the right ingredients.
Another habit I have is to take time for myself. I try to read a book or meditate for a few minutes every day. It helps me reduce stress.
I like meditation too. I spend a few minutes each morning sitting quietly and breathing slowly. It makes me feel calm and ready for the day.
That is a great habit. I think relaxation is as important as exercise and a good diet.
Yes, stress can affect our health. I try to balance work and relaxation. When I feel stressed, I take a short walk or listen to my favorite music.
Music always makes me feel better. I sometimes play soft music while I cook or relax in the evening.
And I also like to talk with my friends and family. Sharing my feelings helps me feel less stressed.
I believe that having a good social life is also a part of a healthy lifestyle. Spending time with people you love can reduce stress and make you happy.
Let's talk about our weekly routines. What do you do on the weekends to stay healthy, Ben?
On weekends, I try to do more exercise. I often play basketball with my friends on Saturday morning. On Sunday, I like to take a long walk or ride my bike in the park. I also cook a healthy meal on the weekend.
That is a good routine. On weekends, I sometimes go to the local market and buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I like to try new recipes and cook a healthy dinner for my family.
Cooking healthy meals on the weekend is a great idea. I like to try new dishes from different cultures. It makes me feel excited about food.
I also enjoy trying recipes from other countries. It is fun to mix flavors and learn about different ingredients.
And when I cook, I also play my favorite music in the background. It makes the cooking process very enjoyable.
Music and cooking are a perfect combination. I feel that my hobbies and healthy habits make me a happier person.
I agree, Alice. When I follow a good routine, eating well, exercising, and sleeping properly, I feel much more positive and energetic.
Do you use any apps or tools to help you stay healthy, Ben?
Yes, I use a fitness app on my phone. It tracks my steps and tells me how many calories I burn. I also use an app to record my meals and water intake.
I use a similar app. It helps me set goals for exercise and reminds me to drink water. I also use a sleep tracker to see how well I sleep at night.
That is very useful. Technology can help us maintain our healthy habits.
Yes, it is like a personal coach in your pocket. I love it when an app reminds me to stand up and stretch if I sit too long.
I feel the same. I sometimes get a notification to take a break. It helps me avoid sitting for too long at my computer.
Good habits like these are very important for our health.
Absolutely, Alice. I think that taking care of our body and mind is a lifelong journey. We must learn, adjust, and improve every day.
I agree. I try to learn something new about health and nutrition every week. It makes me feel empowered to take care of myself.
And sharing our experiences helps me learn new ideas too. I like talking with you about these topics because we can exchange tips and support each other.
Yes, our conversations always give me new ideas. I might try a new healthy recipe or a new exercise routine after talking with you.
Me too, Alice. I always feel motivated to do better and keep my body strong.
I believe that when we live a healthy lifestyle, we are happier and more active. It helps us face challenges with a positive mind.
I agree. Good health is the foundation of everything else in life. When you feel well, you can work better, study better, and enjoy your hobbies more.
That is very true, Ben. I try to remind myself every day that small changes in our habits can lead to big improvements in our health.
Yes. Even something simple like taking a short walk or choosing a healthy snack can make a difference.
I also try to plan my day so that I have time for work, exercise, and relaxation. It is all about balance.
Balance is the key to a good life. I plan my schedule carefully. I make sure I have time for my job, for exercise, and for spending time with my family and friends.
Do you have any advice for someone who wants to start living a healthier life?
I would say, start small and be consistent. You do not have to change everything at once. Choose one habit, like drinking more water, and work on that. Then add another habit, like taking a walk each day.
That is very good advice. I would also say, do not be hard on yourself. If you miss a day, try again the next day. Every little effort counts.
Yes, self-compassion is very important. It is normal to have days when you are tired or stressed. The important thing is to get back on track.
I sometimes write down my healthy goals in a small notebook. It helps me remember what I want to achieve and track my progress.
I do that too. I write a short list of things I want to do every day. It keeps me motivated and focused.
It is great to have tools that help us stay organized.
I agree, Alice. When we take care of our health with good habits, we feel better and more ready to face the challenges of the day.
I am very happy that we talked about health and lifestyle today. It gives me many ideas to improve my daily habits.
Me too, Alice. I always learn something new from our conversations. Thank you for sharing your tips with me.
Thank you, Ben. I hope we can continue to share our experiences and support each other in living a healthy life.
I promise, Alice. Let's talk about our progress in a few weeks and see what new habits we have added.
That is a great idea. I look forward to our next conversation about health and lifestyle.
Me too. Have a wonderful day, Alice, and enjoy your healthy meals, exercise, and good sleep.
Thank you, Ben. I wish you a great day as well. Let's both take care of ourselves and keep living a balanced life.
Absolutely. Goodbye for now, Alice, and stay healthy.
Goodbye, Ben.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.